Yo, what's going on guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make very cool pumpkin designs using stencils. What you're going to need for this is a printer, a knife, and internet access. So find a 2-color image you want, such as this one of a ghost. And the inside area, or inside those lines, I'm going to highlight it red, you just cut out, like a little bit into the layer, so that it doesn't have this green tone, but it's got a slightly cut feel. And you're also going to have to cut out the inside of it first, which is normal, I think. And then for the eyes, you're going to cut all the way through. To do this, you're going to need a stencil. So a piece of paper that you can print onto. You're going to get your pumpkin and find the size of your working area. So the area that you want to cut out, which for me is going to be about from there to around there. So you're going to get your piece of paper in your editing app and make the stencil the size you want on the piece of paper in scale to the pumpkin. I've picked my logo and this cute thing of a lot of ghosts that I'm going to arrange so that they're nice and small on the piece of paper, which I'm going to quickly print out for you. Go back upstairs. Okay, so I had a little oopsie here. So this, I was hoping it could fit, but it doesn't because it's too big. So we're going to chop these out and stick them as separate stencils on here with tape. And chopping out the eyes. I think I'm actually happy with that. So it's going to look a little bit like that when it's done. I think I'm going to put a little bit more tape on. Yeah, so we're just going to cut around there and then chop out the eyes. And I'm going to do the Jack Wipers one off camera and just show you it at the end and put it in the thumbnail and stuff. Yeah. So I've just finished carving this. I've got the 3 things. It'll look better when there's a light inside of it. It'll come through the eyes. I think it'll look pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed. If this video has helped you make amazing pumpkins, then think about liking and comment and tell me what you've done. If you can link photos, which I think you can, maybe, then please tag them. Tag me in something. If you've made something, that'd be amazing. Remember to like and subscribe. And here's the shots. that took quite a while of time. Remember to like and subscribe and keep doing this because this is taking tons of my time, but I really enjoy YouTube, so think about liking and subscribing so that I can continue doing this as a fun hobby in my spare time. Remember to hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, see you next time.